Welcome to another amazing day. This is a switch, not an ordinary switch. It is an specialized outdoor switch made by Multi Kontact Electric, or MK in short. It is a Masterseal Plus wiring accessory series. And I just loosen the screw and let's open it. And you're going to have this one neon light should be installed here. The other hand of the neon light goes to a terminal block, and the other one is where to put. Where's the switch? Because it is sold separately. It has two compartments. If you bought the two device, they just cut this, you just divide it and make it a two switch. So the other version is a two switch. This is just one, but even though it's one, they just use the device container 2, and this is a 2-pole. And this is his box. It has 4 knockouts that can be easily popped and put it back easy. On the back there's a knockout that you can poke it. The problem is it cannot be returned. And on the back we have 2 slots there and here, and it says drain, meaning if the switch is being installed like that, you need to drill a hole here so that if there is a water seep inside, it can go out. It has a ground terminal, and that's it. There is a there is a indicator that this is on the top. Also on the bottom it says on the top, so meaning it can be flipped like that, but not on the side. Next is it has a rubber seal. Let's remove this first, and it can be removed. Actually, this is a gel seal. I don't like to open it because it might ruin the nice warranty. You know what the warranty is? 10 years. 10 years of warranty. Wow. So meaning it can stand up to that years of brutal. This is being installed on outdoor garage, car wash, parking areas. And to install the switch, this is a 2-pole, and all of this, the description can be seen on the description box. So let's try to install this just for fun. Just push it. Nice. See? And this one, and close it like that. Don't do it like this, because the seal has a, what you call this, a groove that goes exactly here. So like that. Let's tighten. And this is what it's look like if you tighten all the screws. See? Nice. 10 years warranty. Wow. And we're good.